So that's our right triangle, of course. So let's use this one. So indicating, maglagay tayo ng mark dyan. That means that, it's a right triangle, of course. 90 degrees, no? Now we have a given angle, A. So dito si A. Okay. And then we have, of course, yung mga given sides natin na nakita ko dito. You have 9 on this side, and on this side we have 12. 12 siya. Okay, so hindi natin alam kung ano to. So actually, that's, let me just look at my, okay. So we are asked to, of course, to find the 6 trigonometric functions. So, alam natin yung 6 trigonometric functions is we have sine A, sine A, we have cosine A, okay, we have cosine A, we also have tan A, kasi yung given angle natin is A, okay, so hahanapin natin yan. Actually, madali lang to no? Although some consider that this is a difficult, a difficult subject, no? And then the other one, of course, is we have cosecant A. Walang siyang isolve, no? Okay. And then this one is secant A. Okay. And then we have cotangent. Inverse lang siya nung una. Parang inverse. Inverse talaga siya. Okay. Yan. So, of course, so mga given side natin is we have, of course, this side of your triangle side, ang kanyang measure is 9, this one is 12. Now, para mas madali sa ating hanapin yung 6 trigonometric functions, notice that this side, or the longest side, no? This is actually considered as the longest side. Wala siyang measure. So for us to what do you call this? For us to be able to get all the 6 trigonometric functions, we have to solve for this side. Okay. Now, paano yun? So I don't know if you're familiar with the Pythagorean theorem formula. So you have c square equals a square plus b square. Yun siya. Okay. Now, hahanapin natin to. Itong side na to. Of course, that will be considered as your C, no? That's the longest side, no? Or your, you call that actually as your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Bakit? Bakit siya hypotenuse? Hypotenuse. O pala yan dapat. Sorry po. Hypotenuse, no? Nag-share lang tayo ng ano. By the way, ito pong sinasagot kong ito ay, I just read it in one of my books in trigonometry, and I find it very interesting. Okay, so you have the hypotenuse. Okay, so remember, ito po yung angle na given, angle A. So, kung nasan yung angle natin, para mas madali natin maintindihan, kung nasan yung angle natin, ito yung magiging opposite side niya. Okay, so this will be your opposite side, 12. Okay, 12. And this will be your adjacent side. Of course, the longest side, of course, will be your hypotenuse, no? Okay, so hanapin natin siya ngayon. Okay, using this formula, or the Pythagorean theorem formula. Easy na po sa atin yan. Okay? Okay, so let's solve for C. Okay, so you have C square equals, of course, what is our A? So basically, since this is angle A, so ito yung small a natin, 12. So you have 12 squared plus, of course, so basically, ito naman yung ating B. Probably, no? Ito ang B. Okay, 9 square. Okay, 9 square. So let's now solve for the value of C. So what is 12? 12 squared is 144. 144. So may ganun eh. Plus, okay, 9 squared is 81. Okay, if we're going to add that, it gives us already what? 144 plus 81, it will give us 225. Okay, so C squared now is 225. Okay, so you're going to get the square root of both sides, no? Okay, square both sides. Okay, so cancel. So C now is actually equal to 15. Yeah, 15 siya. Yeah. Actually, dalawa yan eh. We have positive and negative, but we are just concerned dun sa positive. So 15. The value of our C is 15. So 15 na ito. So mas madali na ngayon nating makukuha yung 6 yung 6 trigonometric functions natin. Now, paano 'yan? Remember, pag sinabi po nating sine, I don't know if you remember the SOHCAHTOA. Yan. TOA. Yan. Naalala ko pa yan nung high school ako. SOHCAHTOA. Okay. Ano pong ibig sabihin ng SO? Ang ibig sabihin po ng SO is sine theta. Theta is your angle. Sine theta is equal to opposite. Opposite. Ano lang po ha, pinaliit ko lang, but it actually means opposite, no? Opposite over the hypo or the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Pag sinabi naman natin ka, that is cosine theta. Cosine theta, natuwa lang ako dito eh, kaya gusto ko siyang sagutin. Cosine theta is adjacent. Adjacent over the hypotenuse. Pinalit lang po natin. Kita pa naman natin yung 9. And then you have your tangent theta. Tangent theta. Tangent theta. Ayan na yan. That is opposite over the adjacent. Tuwa lang po akong sagutin ito kasi, no? Actually, pati yung cosine and sine rule mamaya. Law of cosine and law of sine. Okay, now, so, saan natin kukunin yung mga yan? Dito po sa natin, dito po sa ating right triangle. Okay, a while ago I made mention that kung nasan po yung angle natin, yun yung magiging opposite side, no? Bali yung 12 will be our opposite side and 9 will be our adjacent and 15 of course is our hypotenuse. Therefore, para makuha natin yung una, okay, sabi diyan sine theta is opposite over the hypotenuse. So ano ba yung opposite? Ano ba yung given na value ng opposite side natin? So ayun, 12. 12. Okay? Ano yung given value ng ating hypotenuse? 15. Okay? So yan po siya. Sa cosine naman, we have Okay, adjacent over the hypotenuse. So, ano yung adjacent side natin dito? Ito, 9. Okay? So, sabi niya, adjacent over the hypotenuse. Okay? So, adjacent side is 9. So, what is the hypotenuse? 15. Okay. Then next, yung tangent theta. What is tangent theta? Opposite over the adjacent side. So, that will be now, okay, opposite. Saan yung opposite side natin? 12 over the adjacent 9. So, that will be 12 over 9. Ganun lang po siya. Okay? So, nakuha na natin yung tatlo. Tatlo pa. No? Tatlo pa yung kailangan natin. Okay. So, pag sinabi naman natin cosecant, anong ibig sabihin yan? Ang cosecant theta is actually the inverse of sine. Inverse siya ng sine eh. So, what does it mean? So, that is hypotenuse over the opposite side. Ayan po siya. Katuwa lang po magsagot ng mga ganito eh, no? Hypotenuse over the opposite side. Yan yung cosecant. Pag naman secant, inverse lang siya nung cosine, no? So secant theta, excuse me po. All right. Secant theta, that is now inverse. So when you say secant theta, that is hypotenuse over the adjacent. Something like that, no? It's not something like that. Yung po talaga yung rule. It was just, hypotenuse over the, na-abbreviate ko na lang po, adjacent. And then pag sinabi natin cotangent, okay? So, cotangent theta, that is, burahin po natin, pangit yung pagkasulat. It's quite hard na magsulat sa board na ganito using your mouse, ano? But it's interesting. Yun, yung aking pen. Cotangent theta. Okay, so cotangent theta po is inverse lang po ng tangent, so that is adjacent over the opposite side. Yan lang po siya. Okay. Swing. Burahin po natin. Mahirap magsulat ng po no? Using this pen over opposite side. Parang lang po siya, inverse. Hindi parang, talagang ganun po siya, inverse po talaga siya. Okay, so kunin na ngayon natin yung kanilang value, no? Yung mga values nila. So ito, baliktarin lang po natin to. Yan, baliktarin lang po natin. So cosecant A is 15 over 12. Okay? And this one po is secant A is 15 over 9. It's really interesting po, no? And then cotangent A is 9 over, yun na siya, 9 over 12. So yan na po ang ating sagot. It's quite, hindi naman siya ganun ka-complicated. Madali lang po siya. Yan na siya. So you were able to get your six trigonometric functions, the values of your 6 trigonometric functions of angle A.